Hey, it is Israel from Instafollow.com coming to you live here on Instagram. And thank you if you are watching me on replay on Facebook or YouTube or any platform you are watching this on replay. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I'm going to share with you 3 tips to be more charming on camera. Yes, a lot of people, I understand, are very afraid to do these kind of videos, go live or post a video on YouTube or TikTok and all this stuff. But let me tell you guys, it's very much more easy to do than you expect. And how are you going to be able to do that? I'm going to share you guys right now 3 tips so you guys to be able to come across more charming on camera. The first thing you guys want to do is talk to yourself. Yes, I know sometimes we laugh when we see someone on the street or at a place and they're just talking to themselves. Well, guess what? You practicing talking to yourself is going to help you be more comfortable to be in front of the camera. It's going to make you come off with more confidence. It's going to make you smile. It's going to make you feel great. It's what you need. It's what you need to do and what you need to do to deliver. And that's how amazing it is. Talking to yourself doesn't feel it. I do it. I'm not afraid to admit it. I'm in my room. I talk to myself. Sometimes, it may sound like 20,000 people are in the room, but it's just me talking to myself, going over things and understanding. It really does help you guys. It really does. Talking to yourself, it goes a long way. So believe it or not. So if you guys like this, or you're someone that talks to yourself, let me know in the comment section below. Now, here is tip number 2. Just practice. Now, do you have to practice going live? No. But you can practice recording yourself in front of the mirror. Or in front of the camera, whatever you want to do, whatever you want to feel more comfortable with, the mirror, the camera, the dog, whatever you feel more comfortable, and you can record yourself and you can practice speaking to a camera, just do it. The more you practice, the more easier it's going to flow, the more comfortable you're going to feel, the more you're going to feel like, oh yeah, you can do it, and you're going to build up the confidence, you're going to have that charming smile, and you're going to get in front of that camera and you're going to knock it out of the park. So so remember, talk to yourself, practice. And if you guys are liking these tips, come on, remember me. Let me know this on the section below. And here's the 3rd and final tip. Make a plan. Do not come across as a teleprompter. And what do I mean by that? Well, when you watch the news, those news anchors are just sitting there reading the news, and they're just like, today's news is today's blah, 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 blah. Today's forecast is da, 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 da. Today's sports is blah, blah, blah. They're just reading. They got to keep their voice in a certain tone, and that's it. Well, if you haven't planned, which I do, I have a notebook. I just write down. I put notes down, make sure that I'm following the steps. I am communicating exactly what I wanted to get across, and that's it. When you do that, you're going to be very original. You're gonna be authentic, and yeah, don't feel bad to look down. Don't look down like this, but don't be afraid to your eyes glance down like you're reading, looking over your notes. It's nothing wrong to do that. So, but having these notes, having these points of talking, you're gonna be able to completely come across genuine, and guess what? People are gonna like your video. So guys, I hope these 3 tips help you guys out. Not only is that, I do cover live videos on my free ebook, which you can go into israelnavarro.com. Links in my bio here on Instagram. I'm pretty sure the link will be in the comment section below here on this video, where you can go in, you can actually type, you go in, you can type in your name, your email, and you're going to quickly get an email from me within 24 hours with the ebook, helping you start your journey, your process in being able to be so effective on Instagram. So I hope these tips help you guys out. See you guys soon on the next live video. So take care and God bless you.